What's up? Good morning. I'm on my way out the door, y'all. About to take this chicken out because we having chicken tacos tonight for dinner. I'm on my way to work. And then, yeah, I'm gonna see what I do after that. Happy Wednesday, y'all. It's the day after my birthday. So yeah, so let's get on and say good morning. Happy Wednesday. You irritate. Is this one? Yeah, this one mine.
Yeah, that was.
I gotta get my keys. I got everything.
Key?
Yeah, it's in my pocket.
I need it. Can't look at those.
Right, let me turn my cup around. You heard me, I was petty. I said, let me turn my cup around. I'm off work. About to cook dinner. I'm making chicken tacos. I'm just making chicken tacos, y'all, but I'm home. About to make these tacos right quick. And then, yeah, that's gonna be my night. Probably pack my bag. I don't know. I'm gonna see. I really need to just like make some more runs and get some more stuff. Very last minute, y'all. But yeah. About to cook dinner. And chill. So yeah. You just had made you one out of my
No, I made me a chicken breast sandwich. With chicken and waffles, baby.
You want me to make chicken and waffles?
Yeah. What you call that shit?